Here's a quick video to show you how to work with Dr. Najjar's functions in Excel. First thing you want to do with your customer data worksheet or whichever Excel file you're working in, you want to go File, Save As, pick a choice. You want to go to here and you want to choose Excel Macro Enabled Workbook. I'm using Excel 2016. It might look a little different in yours, but you want whatever it says Macro Enabled Workbook. Then you can save that. So once you're in here, we're going to go to the VBA editor. You can do it two ways. You can push the key Alt F11, or you can right click your sheet there and say View Code. Either way, it's going to put you into the back side of Excel. First thing we want to do is go up here in the upper left. We want to insert a module, and then we're going to go over to Dr. Najjar's sheet he sent us, and we're going to copy the two functions. The functions here where it says function in function, and the next sphere is function in function. You can copy them both at the same time. Control C, move that out of the way, come here, paste it in. Now we have two functions. We have the get font color index function and the function of count font color. We want to save this, so they're going to show up into Excel. We can go ahead and close this out. We'll scoot over here a little bit. The instructions at the top of Dr. Najjar's sheet he sent out shows you how to use these two functions. They're pretty straightforward. You have to get the color first. Somebody mentioned in class there's two colors. So if you can identify the two red colors in here, you'll have to do this twice. Simply type equal get font color. You'll see right here it shows up in your functions. Double click on that. It'll be your formula up here. Simply click on one of the red cells, close your parentheses, and that'll give you an integer. The second thing is to count using that integer. We go equal count, and we'll find our function here, count font color. There's two parameters here. It wants the area. Do not choose the entire column. It'll make the function run really slow. I'm going to do a small area just to give you the idea, but you would basically copy the table, the area that has data. We're going to copy this. We're going to put a comma. We're going to pass the other value, which would be clicking on the number there that you got before. Close your parentheses, and then there's your count. So that's how you use it. Make sure you save your file. If you run into errors, feel free to shoot me an email or a text. We'll help you through it. If you have any questions, the last thing you can do is at the very bottom of Dr. Najjar's handout, there's a link here. If you go to that link, it actually tells you about these functions and how they work and how you can use them for different stuff. That's it. Hope this helps. Talk to you.